Hi guys, good morning. Today is a fresh day. Slept really well. We're going to get started with our morning routine as usual. Do some yoga, then hit the gym. But before that, some warm water. The importance of warm water in the morning is quite crucial, I mean, it helps you to kind of kickstart your metabolism, improve your digestion, and also increase your hydration in general. So it's a great way to start your day. So I'm going to set up my yoga mat and get started with my morning routine. First things first, a little bit of yoga and meditation. And then I'm thinking if we should hit the gym or just go out for a walk. It's a beautiful day once again, and since I started my day a little early, the weather is also quite nice. It's not very hot at the moment. So let's see. I'm in two minds right now. So either a walk or a gym, but something that will take us outdoor and get a little bit of exercise in basically. Set for the gym. Today felt like a real struggle to get out of the house to go to the gym. Also probably because today is legs day. I'm going to work out my legs. Some days you're not 100% motivated to get out of the house and do your morning routine, but it's really important that on such days you really push yourself and you show up. So we're going to go and get a half an hour or 45 minutes of workout in, and let's see how the rest of the day goes. So generally I'm a morning person. Everyone has these days where they don't feel like doing anything. It's not like I don't want to do anything today. It's not that I'm very lazy today or anything like that, but sometimes जब ये leg days होता है ना, so those days तो it definitely takes a little bit of motivation to get out of bed and get out of the house and hit the gym. But I've always noticed that this is usually just starting trouble. After I've finished what I have to do, I always feel wonderful. So I'm going to focus on how I'm going to feel after the workout, and I'm just going to finish what I need to do in the morning. And morning routine is extremely important for me to set the tone for the day, feel extremely productive after I've accomplished all those tasks that I set myself to do in the morning. I'm going to be starting off with some weighted squats on the Smith machine. Then I'll go towards some leg extensions, a little bit of a few reps of the leg press, maybe some squats, some lunges. Just keep it simple. 4 to 5 exercises, sets of 10 each, and just be done with it. Focus and get it over with. Yeah. my session at the gym today. So worth getting myself up and making sure that I went and accomplished whatever I'd planned for today. Now we have office. Usually Thursdays we have office, but let's see. I'm not really feeling like going to office today, so we'll try and do something productive at home. I don't know, maybe I might just go to office for some time and then come back also. And you can always be productive in office also, you know. So while working out is extremely important and keeping fit is extremely important, what is also most important is to have my nutrition on check. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm usually in a state of intermittent fasting in the first half of the day. So I normally eat my first meal in the afternoons. So I'm going to stick to that today. Let's see if we can get something healthy made at home. So the reality is that the gas stove at home, the knobs of the gas stove at home was jammed, and we've kind of given it for servicing right now. We're not really able to cook anything at home, so we've been ordering out a lot. And like you seen, I also ate Subway yesterday. It's not like I eat out every day. I prefer eating home cooked food. Back home now, and we have a house guest. Hi, so today we have a house guest, Bentley. We are babysitting our neighbor's dog. He's a cute chihuahua. He's a cute fellow, but he misses his parents a lot. So me and him are just going to sit here. Look how tiny he is. No tiny fellow. So this is his favorite toy. Almost his size. Time for lunch. We've managed to get the gas stove back, and we've managed to also prepare some home cooked lunch. So I'm going to take you through what I'm going to eat today as well. It's a cute little chihuahua puppy. He's our neighbor's dog and we babysit him quite often. He loves to hang out with my wife, Kavya. He is now constantly staring at the door, waiting for his mommy and daddy to come back. So today we have chicken and coconut milk, also called chicken mapas, and we have some yummy masoor dal pulao, which we will be eating now. So today I'm eating masoor dal pulao and chicken mapas, which is a coconut based gravy. So we had a great lunch today. Finally got to eat a home cooked meal. The meal included a lot of masoor dal, a lot of rice, also had chicken. Only thing that you guys didn't see on my plate was some vegetables for fiber, which I normally include, which I did include, but I just didn't end up putting a video of it. So I just sometimes just slice some cucumbers and tomatoes and squeeze a lime over it, maybe sprinkle some salt and just go for it. So that was lunch, and that's how my lunches are usually. Me and my wife, we prefer cooking at home and eating at home as often as possible. And we do like to indulge as well, so we do order out quite often, but we try and restrict it only to weekends. I ended up watching the news all day on YouTube, following what's going on, and you know how animated these news channels can get. So after a point, we were like so hooked. And we were not even sure if most of the news was true or fake. But anywho, so that's how I spent my day so far, and I did have a little bit of work. I had to coordinate a bit of things from office, so I did that. Hey folks, so we also prepared some nice dinner today. Like I told you, always love home cooked food. So today we have some chicken curry from the afternoon, and I've just rolled up some really nice and crispy butter dosas with a little bit of butter just for flavor, and that's what's going to be our dinner today. And then we'll probably go down for a walk and then call it a night. Just take it easy, have a great day.